Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take a quick look at the new ThruNite titanium keychain, quick release keychain. Now just for the sake of the video, I've modified this a little bit to the way it would be during the wintertime for me, which is why I really like a quick release keychain. And this one is one of the ones where you have, you just put your fingers right there, pull back on the cylinder, and it releases. And the system being used is that of if you've ever used a air compressor and the hose and the quick connects for either like the blowgun or the tire inflator, same principle. Put it back together, same thing, pull back on the cylinder, and there you go. Very light, extremely light, but of course you'd go, oh, like it makes a difference at this point in time. You know, I got the ThruNite knife and the ThruNite pen on here, my glass breaker, seatbelt cutter. May I convince, if you don't have something like this either on your keychain or attached somewhere easy to get to in your car, please do that. I follow a channel that does diving to collect people that have gone in the water, and he states that a large majority of people would probably make it if they were able to break out the window. So try to keep it simple, as far as my life doesn't really have a lot of keys anymore, but of course the keychain has items on it. So you got the fob and the ignition key, and then over here another key so I can lock the door in the winter and go back into the house and let the car warm up. This time of the year, I no longer carry the additional key because I'm not warming it up, and why have something extra hanging there? So it would be reconfigured. But I just wanted to show that ThruNite is always evolving. I made a comment not too long ago about how they keep trying to come out with new and cool designs for their flashlights. Probably the most durable flashlight that I have ever used, and why it's always a work light for me. And out of the blue, they start coming up with extra things like the knives and their pen. So just a cool company that is always trying to move forward with cool designs. Take this off of there. But one of the things I wanted to show you in the process of using this for the better part of the week now is this keychain is a cool design. The ring, instead of trying to pick it up, you just kind of push it sideways, which makes it a lot more convenient for large size keys. And then you can just as a typical one, you can run around until you get to the inside, and then just push it back together. Oops, push that too far. Oh no, I broke that. My bad. That's a little something my father-in-law gave me to go along with the key to the shack. So that is the new ThruNite titanium quick release keychain. It's kind of funny because I have I guess sometimes procrastinating has a purpose. I have been wanting to grab one of these to redo my keychain setup, and voila, Through Night says, would you like to show one of these off? And I'm like, yeah, absolutely. So price point is $11.99, and I will provide the link down in the top of the description if you would like to go over to Amazon and pick up the titanium quick release keychain from Through Night yourself. Okay. Questions, comments, as always, please leave them down below. Otherwise, cheers.